An American B-1B strategic bomber participated in joint precision-guided bomb drill with South Korea, dropping a bunker-busting munition over Korean Peninsula. The precision bombing drill was conducted after North Korea sent hundreds of trash-filled balloons across South Korean border. Lebanon-based militant group Hezbollah has claimed destruction of Israel's Iron Dome air defense system. Hezbollah claimed that it struck an Iron Dome air defense system launcher near the Ramat Naftali. The claims were supported by a video from the group showing a guided missile hitting the launcher. The Russian state corporation Rostec has delivered new batch of 2 B-24 82mm light mortars to Russian armed forces. Known for their simple and lightweight design, it can achieve firing rate of 20 rounds per minute with firing range varying from 100 meters to 6,000 meters. Airbus has showcased full-scale model of Wingman concept at International Aerospace Exhibition Berlin. It highlights range of capabilities, including low observability, integration of various armaments, advanced sensors, and sophisticated connectivity and teaming solutions.